In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Bitwarden built-in password history tool. If you're unfamiliar with Bitwarden, it's a popular and reliable password manager that helps you keep track of your passwords in a secure manner. Today, we'll delve into a handy feature that can help simplify password management even further: viewing your password generation history. Whether you're new to password managers or a seasoned pro, understanding how to access this feature can be incredibly beneficial, providing you with an organized way to track and retrieve previously generated passwords. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Bitwarden app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply head over to the Bitwarden website and follow the straightforward instructions to install and set up your account. Assuming you already have the app up and running, go ahead and open it. This powerful tool is designed to be user-friendly, so once you open the app, you should find yourself at the main interface, which displays your stored vault items. Now, next up on the list is to click on View. This part is quite essential because once you're viewing your stored passwords and entries, you'll be directed to the section where all your relevant actions and tools are located. The View option is an integral part of the interface that organizes your passwords and settings, guiding you to manage your password selections effectively. Once you've accessed the View section, the next step is to click on Generator History. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to keep track of the passwords you've generated over a period of time. By selecting Generator History, you're tapping into a chronological list of passwords that you have previously generated through Bitwarden's password generator. It's an incredibly resourceful tool, especially if you need to retrieve a password you've used in the past but didn't save, or if you're managing multiple accounts and need to cross-reference your generated passwords. Bitwarden's password history tool is a simple yet powerful feature, allowing you to have peace of mind when it comes to managing your online security. Remember to explore this function whenever you're unsure about which password you used, or if you simply want a quick recap of your generated passwords. With this in your arsenal, managing passwords becomes less of a daunting task and more of an efficient routine to ensure your online security. By understanding and utilizing the password history feature, you're taking another step towards better digital security management. And there you have it. Now you know how to use the Bitwarden built-in password history tool. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.